Today's date is 8/23/2020. Yes, that is true. With the weekly chart on that Dow Jones Industrial Average. With an update, we're right back at the previous week's high. It was very narrow range. There was dips, ups, downs, and various different things that were happening within the price channels and whatnot. But once again, the Dow Jones is not overbought on this weekly chart at all. There is more upside. And we dipped back down to my 27,500, but we came right back up. And so the move can continue higher to get more overbought versus the S&P at the highs overbought and the comp and the index and whatnot. But, bull markets and things get crowded at tops. And that isn't one of them right here. Dow still has a lot of move to go higher. They start bidding those Dow 30 stocks up again. We could break out to all-time highs in the trend channel. Why other areas of the market can pull back. The Dow could continue to roll higher. It's not overbought exuberantly like the other indexes are. And they're not. And, it's been the laggard ever since we started this whole thing back in late March. And so one of the things that we'll be talking about is the 29,000 area in the Dow. That right below that 29,000 mark is a major psychological level. And it is. Because if you can get through there, then Dow 30,000 comes again. So, once again, we have always narrowed down the 30 leadership stocks in the Dow that are the biggest weighted, the ones that move the index, and the leadership roles that play in the Dow. And when Dow stocks come down, that brings the index down easily. But when they're in that bull rally, they can still continue to move higher in the Dow Jones. That is the update on the weekly. When we take a look at the monthly on the Dow, we're right up here at that top, just sitting right up there. Oh yeah, that was 29,568 on the high there. Yeah, it was. So there is more upside on the monthly. And each month, little by little, that monthly sell signal is not as big as it was the previous months. Yes, it's still there. There's no doubt. And we got above the 10-month moving average. And we did. That's that yellow line here. And we're above it. And we're breaking up higher. And these are going to be the next highs that the Dow could reach before it could even get overbought. And so the thing about it is, it's a different breed of stocks altogether and whatnot. Once again, there's the weekly view. It's only at a 92 by 94. That's not exuberant. It's not 99% overbought. No, it's not. When we take a look at the daily, we can see it's back above the 10-day simple moving average right here on the Dow. That's that yellow line. That's a 10-day simple moving average. And we're above it. Yeah, you could say that the MACD has been declining and whatnot, even on the upside movements. But nonetheless, the daily chart looks real good as long as we continue. We dip below it now. We dip below it, that 10-day. But they popped that Dow right back up there. That Dow is not overbought, but that's what it looks like. 10-day moving average on that Dow. Get in that alert service. Get set up for those Dow 30 stocks. Get set up for those gold ETFs. Get set up for those tech stocks that we cover. Get set up for it all. Dow Jones is looking good in the bull run back above the 10-day simple moving average.